Baby didn't understand it. I did, because she talks all around the house. She taught me her language. She said, "Hi, I'm Leah." Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yes! Got it right.
And I talked in my bear voice.
Yeah, that's the one nobody understands. Isn't that weird? A bear voice? Okay, anyways, today we have a Shopkins sweet spot food fair gumball machine! Yay!
And our surprises are right here.
Yeah!
See?
And a Shopkins lunchbox surprise!
Yay!
Oh, and it also comes with 2 exclusive Shopkins! Yay! I think these 2 Shopkins are from the food fair. Who knows? If you do, please let us know in our comment section. Okay, so let's get to it! Yay! So we got our gumball machine out of the box. So this is the front of the sweet spot.
And here is the inside.
But the doors don't open, so don't try to push them from the inside because then they will break. This is the inside. Look at the gumballs and the gumball machine. So let me tell you all the colors and how many we have. So this is number 1, an orange.
And did you know, guys, I figured out what my favorite color is. It's yellow.
And then number 2, it's purple. I mean, not purple, it's pink.
I hope there's a red one.
Whoa. Blue, yeah.
One of my favorites.
A green, number 4. Yellow, number 5.
My
yellow.
favorite color.
My favorite color is red. And there is red, number 6. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 different colors.
Yay!
But they don't have any surprises in them. We need to fill them up. I just can't believe I just threw that. It was so silly. So our yellow is back. It like went all the way to the other wall over there. So funny.
Yeah.
But we can't fill these up. We have to open surprises and take those out to fill the gumballs. But first, before we do that, I just want to show you all the cool things that come in our gumball machine. Well, the playset. So there is like this little candy cart. And like I said, there are like these little candy bags. They have something in them. And then we have this lollipop stand. It's not actually candy, so don't lick it, okay?
Okay.
I'll show you how this works in a little while, okay? So now let's get to opening these cool surprises. Okay. Whoa, this one is so cool. It's an exclusive, but I don't know her name. If you do, please leave us a comment in our comment section. Why would an egg be in a candy store? Well, this is some kind of candy, maybe a jelly bean. We don't know her name.
You are correct.
How do you know?
Because it looks like one.
Maybe it could be like some kind of chocolate thing or something.
I know what it is. A vanilla egg.
Okay, you're totally driving me crazy. So, let's start filling the gumballs all up by opening surprises. Yay!
From this lunchbox.
So let's move this out of the way so we have space to open all the other stuff. Wait.
Okay.
Have the gumballs in the gumball machine, silly. So now, let's open it up. Yay! But, are you curious what's inside? Oh, you are? Great, so let's open it up then. Whooshy. Surprise! Congratulations for what? Whoa.
Let me get the egg.
There we go. Okay, so 2 of this. Each one of this will get 2 or what? Wait. 2 of these. Yay, so now it's all organized. So let's open an egg. I'm gonna open an egg.
I'm gonna open
Face off. Okay, I forgot to tell you what we have. So this is a Shopkins season something egg. I think 4. And another one. Oh, okay. I'll show that in a second. So we have 2 season 4 crates. Shopkins. Once you shop, you can't stop. And then we got a Shopkins. Once you shop, you can't stop. Blind bag, and it's a fashion tag.
Yay! Now let's open the toy bag.
Get a bowling bag. Okay, why did I put the case back on? I want to open an eggie. Surprise eggie. Easter's coming up here.
Seriously, humbly dumpling.
Humbly dumpling.
Seriously,
Humbly dumpling. Just open it, okay? Alright, so we can know what's it. Ooh, oh my god. So, okay, I don't know what to say. I have no idea what I should even say. Okay, so where's this checklist? Okay, I'll show this in a minute. I just need to open a crate to get a checklist. So I'll keep them separated so I know who's from the crate, who's from the egg. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so this is. Oh, so I get stuffed each time. I just don't know what to say. This is so. Okay, so here, let me check. Double check something. So here is a milk bud. Yeah. And a milk bud. And I'm gonna be looking for this same color. If there's not, then we're just so lucky that we got new colors, okay? So let's see, milk bud, Petkin. I don't see any milk bud. Milk bud this color. This is just so weird.
I think they're purple.
Okay, so there's 1 blue and 1 pink. 1 blue and 1 pink. And I don't see a yellow! Okay, so weird, we got a new color. Okay, cool. So cool! And, okay, so I know this is from Fruit and Veg. Cherries, cheeky cherries. Okay, so I see the red one and the yellow and red ones. But I don't see this color. This is like so exciting and mysterious. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, and then there's a Shopkins bag with Humpty Dumpling that she got.
Now I'm gonna open my egg.
And she's got some stickers and she's got a foil tag. No, this isn't a foil tag. This is a Breaky Crunch. It's a 16 out of 18. Cool. And I'll just show you the ones that I got from my crates. And one of them is mysterious as well. It's so weird, one of them. Like, so this one is like a normal kind of one. Why did I just go?
And this is a normal one. And a new color.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is Marty Party hat. Yeah, she's in the right color. But then, okay, guys, look. I forgot her name. I'll find the name and I'll
Egg cup.
Egg cup. Yeah, so she's the normal color, okay? I just thought she was in the mysterious one. I never saw it in this color, but she's on the checklist though. Not.
Can you help me open this?
I'll help you, alright? Okay. Okay. One of them is mysterious. So this is like normal color. Prickles. Season 4, yeah. And then there's a mysterious one, at least I think, because I didn't see her on the checklist. Maybe it is. But guys, in the eggs, they're making new colors. Isn't that like so cool and weird?
Mysterious?
Oh my god. Okay, so this is so cool. Okay, I'll show that in a minute. Yay! I got another mysterious. I don't see her in this color. Oh my god, so this is so exciting. Yeah, you did. It's a Marty Party hat, and I don't see her in this color. I only see the red and yellow. This is so cool. They're making like the same ones, but in different color. You really should get these eggs if you find them. They're so cool. If you're interested in Shopkins, then this is just for you.
I'm gonna open
Let's see if this is another mysterious one. Nope. Normal, comfy chair. Okay. I wish I had another egg to open to see if I get another mysterious one. Why do I keep dropping things like that? Okay, I just want to open this fashion tag. Isn't this video so cool? Like, you can see what comes in the eggs. Mysterious.
Mysterious? This is mysterious.
No, that's normal, I think.
I think that's me.
Next, could you please open an egg? I want to see what other mysterious you get.
Okay, I will.
Thank you. So nice.
Jiggly jelly.
Not just driving me crazy, but really kind of nice. So this is, okay, if you know, please let us know in our comment section. I know her name, but I just forgot it. It's like, I keep forgetting things. So I got a foil tag. Yes, it's a foil tag! Oh my god, I got it right. Yes, what is it?
Shopkins.
Oh yeah, I forgot to show you them. Jiggly jelly and, chicken egg. Or what? Chocolates! Where are you, chocolates?
Egg chick.
You are correct! I was about to say egg chick. How in the world did you remember?
Because I figured about it.
Okay, you thought about it. Yes, I know that. But how did you figure it out?
Because I think it's in my head.
Okay.
Can you help me
Never
open
mind.
this?
Yeah, I'll help you open it. Let's try to go fast, okay?
Okay, serious?
Oh, mysterious. Okay, thank you.
Can
Okay, yeah, you can open it. So,
this time you can open one.
oh my god, that's so nice. Oh my goodness.
Here's the mysterious Shopkin.
Okay, so this is like the normal Shopkin, I think. Yeah, this is the same one. So this is Jiggly Jelly. And now maple syrup in the new color. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
At least I think it's in the new color. There are lots of packets to collect, so I kind of get confused. Okay, anyways, yeah, so I got my foil tag. Whoa, what's a foil tag? Cupcake Queen. Okay, anyways, let's keep going.
Can open one.
Okay. You're letting me open one? Okay, thank you.
Okay, let me, wait.
So this is Dinky drink that she just got.
What I got?
Yep, I got this sticker.
Right now, the sticker's on my shirt.
I want to put her.
No, that's
You can put one on your face too, like this little soda pop or something. Ooh, cool. Oh, you can put that one on your nose or forehead if you want. Just if you want, okay? I'm not saying you have to do it. Come on, stickers! Yay! So this is another comfy chair in the normal color. No. Yeah, it's so silly. I covered us. Yay! Yeah, leave it. I love to take a picture of that, okay? By the end of the video. Keep it on, please. Ooh, yeah, let's fill the gumballs. Oopsie! I forgot to open the crate. Right there. So cool looking.
It doesn't matter how mysterious.
Okay, but
What? You get a duplicate mysterious?
no, this isn't a duplicate mysterious. So, and none of these are mysterious. Yeah, you can open one. Sure. If you let me open one, I'll let you. I want to be twice as nice. Ours, I want to be equal. Nice. So that's Merry Wishes.
Merry wishes.
So this
maybe
is
like
earring twins.
Maybe like jiggly jelly.
Yeah, we were jiggling and jelly like. Earring twins, Petkins, normal color.
Hi, jiggly jelly and I jiggle everywhere.
Yay! So let's fill up our gumballs. All right, I'll do a red.
I'll do a yellow.
So our gumballs are all filled, and this is is just the first round. We want to try to fill out the whole sweet shop. Okay. Here's our very first one. Miss Pressy from Shopkins Season 4. Cool. And you see these tiny holes here? This is what it's for. Let's put you right here. See? You can put your Shopkins on here. Isn't that just cool? Okay, next one. Orange. Jiggly Chili. Jiggly, jiggly, jiggly. Yay. She has a hole, so we'll put her on. Next one. Yellow. Maple syrup. She has a hole too, but I want to put her on a shelf. 3 on each shelf. And you can put them over here, here, over here. There are lots of shelves to put them on. And here too. Next one. Here is another one. You must be kidding me. Another jiggly jelly? Come on. There has to be no duplicates, but it's super silly. There we go. Pink. Yay. Egg chick. Yay. She doesn't have a hole, so definitely she will go. Let's see, right here. Okay, it's red. Merry wishes. Yay. In the new color. Isn't this one just so cool? So this one and this one are in the new color. Let's put you, let's see, over here. There we go. On to our second round. We gotta refill all the gumballs. Yay.
Round 2, and we have different Shopkins inside. Ooh, it's yellow. It's chocolate terry. Okay, next. It's orange. Cheeky cherries. Okay. Ew. Pink. It's silly chili. Now, our next Shopkins Gumball. It's green. This is a clue. It's Shopkins and it's oil bottle, I think. I don't know her name. King. Next Shopkins and one more left. It's blue. And it's maple syrup. Pectin, pectin. Maple syrup. Last Shopkins. Okay, it's red. And it's sweet pea. Season 3 Shopkins. Okay, so that's the end of the Shopkins Gumball. Yay! Alrighty guys, that is all for today. We hope you enjoyed our Shopkins Season 4 3, 2, and 1 video. Woo! I don't think we had a Season 1, but we did have exclusives. Yay! And my favorite part of the video was the sweet spot birthday gumball machine. They'll always have to do that in each video.